She's truly multifaceted. With her husband's with Saurabh's support, she returned to her first love, writing, and discovered her true voice as a storyteller. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise and put your hands together for one and only one, Ridhima Jain. इससे प्यारा होस्ट तो आपको मिलता ही नहीं. हाँ, multifaceted. Oh, traveler and whatnot, she knows so many.
मतलब इतनी तारीफ होगी मजा ही आ गया. दो चार लगे और बोल देते मैं एंट्री लेट कर लेती.
We have a lot of people, तारीफों की पुल. Saurabh, the push behind this spark, हम कहते हैं कि हर आदमी के पीछे औरत का हाथ होता है. यहाँ तो किस्सा ही अलग है.
Also, she takes care of my hair.
She forgot this point. ये काले लम्बे घने बालों का राज.
Also, you.
It's yeah. She all got it from her mama. That's how we train our children, Saurabh.
Today is her day, so I'll let it be.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor today is a personality who doesn't need any introduction. He's a popular and renowned Indian author, former banker, diplomat, known for his best-selling mythological fiction, including Shiva Trilogy and Ramchandra series. इनकी किताबों की एक खास बात यह है कि he blends historical fact with mythology, reimagining Hindu epics for modern audiences, जो हमें भी समझ में आ सके. By now, आप सब जान ही गए होंगे मैं किन के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. So please put your hands together for one and only but Shah Rukh Khan of our literature world, Mr. Amesh Tripathi. Shah Rukh.
शाहरुख के साथ ऐसे हाय बेटा.
कैसी लगी आपको हमारी नन्ही होस्ट?
She is the best.
तो नेक्स्ट इवेंट यही
And
आपको.
clearly her father and her mother did a good job on her head.
So without further ado, let's first of all unveil the hero.
Sir, look camera.
हाँ.
Saurabh, you would like to join?
Saurabh sir, come.
अभी सौरभ यहाँ आए ही गए हैं तो कुछ तारीफें भी करके ही
Yeah, look camera, please. Ma'am.
ऐसे
एक photo.
सरप्राइज हो रहे हैं जैसे कि यहाँ बहुत तारीफ कर रही है.
मुझे नहीं पता था करनी है.
हेलो.
टाइम मास्टर गोगो आया हूँ तो तारीफ करके जाऊँ.
Sir, एक proper को look दो. Okay, thank you.
किताब का पूरा क्रेडिट ही ले लिया. किताब का पूरा क्रेडिट लिया है.
मैं क्या तारीफ करूं रिमा की. ये बताऊं कि ये अपने स्कूल की हेड गर्ल रह चुकी है. ये बताऊं कि इसने इंजीनियरिंग करी है. ये बताऊं कि नच बलिए जब इसने मेरे साथ किया था तो मुझसे ज़्यादा बेटर डांस किया था. या ये बताओ कि 2 बच्चों के साथ इसने पूरी बुक लिख डाली और ये इसने कैसा किया मैं नहीं जानता.
तालियां.
By imagination, right. But one thing I know for sure that whatever she does, whatever smallest of the things or whatever the biggest of the things.
गिम्बल को थोड़ा समझाओ यार.
Is it clear now?
गिम्बल 10
Yeah,
बार पे
so
ट्रेन पे जा रहा है.
whatever she does,
Gimbal.
no matter how small it is or how big it is, she puts her
हम समझ रहे हैं.
entire being into that particular thing, and that I know of her, and I think that is why this baby, only her baby, not my thing in it at all in it. Sinal Drishyam is here for all of you to read. Thank you so much.
Light बंद करवा दे क्या?
Without so many people don't even realize it. Our calendar is actually built around fortnights along the movement of the moon. The Indian calendar is the only calendar which has the moon and the sun aligned. The Gregorian Western calendar that we follows only the sun. The Islamic Hijri calendar follows only the moon. The calendar which follows both the sun and the moon is our Indian calendar, which makes it a very scientific calendar but a horribly complicated calendar also. So it's actually built around fortnight. So without us even realizing it, द्वादशी, त्रयोदशी, एकादशी का जो fast हम लोग जो रखते हैं, it's 11th day. Yeah, of the lunar calendar, either the waxing moon or the waning moon, Shukla Paksh or Ram Paksh. So, what I like about what Ridhima is doing is actually bringing many of these things up front. We are aware of this. How can you survive without your roots? Your roots are always there. But often, भाई सिखाया नहीं गया है, हमारी शिक्षा प्रणाली कुछ सिखाती नहीं है इसके बारे में. So it's wonderful that Ridhima is actually bringing all of these up front to our attention so that we can learn. That's what I try and do in a small way with my books as well.
Yes, absolutely. Nicely generated.
टेक्निकल रुकावट के लिए खेद है.
रिधिमा आपने आपकी किताब के एक्नॉलेजमेंट में भी कहा है कि सारा श्रेय इस किताब का और इस किताब के होने का इट गोज टू सौरभ. ओके, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए. और उसके बाद हम सौरभ से भी जानना चाहेंगे, सौरभ लिखते समय कहीं वेरी सौरभ.
I'm not here.
Okay. Okay, let us speak then. I have a question for you then.
So she asked me that did the acknowledgement. So I'll tell you. So when a book लिखने का ना sole credit is my husband. Sorry. Honestly, he's my sole credit. वो पता है हम social science में ना वो solar system की diagram बनाते हैं जिसमें sun center में होता है ना, उसके आजू बाजू दुनिया घूम रही होती है, planets and so and that's the core. उससे energy मिलती है. So he's my core. ये मेरा core है. He's that. So he's my my strength, my motivation, he's my belief system. मतलब ये होता है ना कि मैं डबल तरीके से काम करती हूँ, डिफरेंट मोटिवेशन लेवल देता है बंदा. So actually जब writing का शौक था, but somehow it had lost. But he was the one who said, नहीं अभी तुमको लिखना है, you have to take the front wheel and please start writing. And then of course the result is in front of you all, my first book, The Audition.
Lovely. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि जब आपने इनको किताब लिखने में इतना प्रोत्साहन दिया, कभी ऐसे हुआ कि आज घर पे खाना नहीं बनेगा, आज मैं सिर्फ किताब ही लिखूंगी?
सच बता रहे हैं, झूठ बता रहे हैं? नहीं, मेरी आवाज पहुंचेगी, डोंट वरी. सच बता रहे हैं, झूठ बता रहे हैं?
या सच ही बता दो यार. अच्छा बताओ, घर पे खाना खाना है आज.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. आई थिंक जितनी भी महिलाएं होती हैं, हाउसवाइफ्स होती हैं, बच्चों को जो इतना टाइम देती है, वो हर कोई चीज कर सकती है. उनको एक्चुअली प्रोत्साहन की जरूरत भी नहीं होती है. उनके अंदर वो इनबिल्ट एक ऐसी क्वालिटी होती है, दे कैन डू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट दे वांट. क्योंकि जितना पेशेंस वो बच्चों में दिखाती हैं, जितना पेशेंस वो हम जैसे को दिखाती हैं, उसके बाद वो कुछ भी कर सकती है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज.
So now we have kept, the floor open for audiences. Please feel free to ask questions. हमें सिर्फ आपस में बात करके इतना ये नहीं हाइड करनी है. Please, we want you all to ask. Amish ji is here, Ridhima is here. Ask whatever you want to.
Which is your favorite book?
Harry Potter.
Which number?
अरे रुको.
Because let me have a Javed.
Not so ज्ञानी बच्चे. Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Preeti, and today I'm very happy that my dearest friend Ridhima has reached this milestone, and which she really deserved. So my question is for her. What is the most difficulty you face while writing this book, and what is the most enjoyable part of this book?
difficult part हो गया, I think so. It's pretty enough to write. But I think जो इसमें एक difficult portion था book के लिए, it was the Dark Kingdom, I think, because it has a very distinct, sense of, I would say, malevolence, that darkness, that evil around it, which I wanted कि वो readers के ना mind में बस बैठ जाए, it should be etched when they are reading about it, and it has to be so evil that when it is, as it is stepping forward, वो evilness ना हर step पे बढ़नी चाहिए. So the descriptions are vivid, the descriptions are vague also, because sometimes these vague descriptions are very unsettling. कि अरे अब क्या होगा, ये पूरा भी नहीं बता रहे हैं, मतलब what is there? So like sometimes we say there was something dark about it, there was something evil about it. You could smell blood in the air, but you're not actually using your senses to smell the blood in the air. It's that unsettling thought around it कि वो इतना evil है, इतना malevolent है कि there is something wrong about this place. So that thing I was very difficult to write because I wanted to make it very intriguing for the audience. And the most enjoyable part, I think, will be the conversations between the main person, Ekam, and his grandfather. And I think that has been the most beautiful and defining moments in the book because his grandfather has been the guiding force and mentor. And he always looks upon, to his grandfather कि आगे उसको life में जो भी करना है या कोई भी situations है. So for him it is his, grandfather. And there are lovely messages behind these conversations. And I think a lot of people when they read it, they'll gauge it that इसके behind का message क्या है.
Ridhima, I wanted to know, जब आप ये इतनी dark fantasies जब लिखती हैं, does it affect you before sleeping, or do you like how actors when they play a role, so they are disturbed for a couple of months, वो लोग retreat पे जाते हैं.
No, it affects me.
मैं तो खा पी के सो जाती हूँ, बाकियों का पता नहीं मुझे.
Then I read the book fully then.
आमिर जी, ये switch mode तो बड़ा अच्छा है यार. Anyone else?
मैं भी ऐसे ही बोल सकती हूँ वैसे.
हम चाहते हैं कि
We are very loud.
please introduce yourself.
Yes. Hi, my name is Priyanka, and Ridhima and me were together back in engineering college. So we've known each other since 23 years, and I don't have a specific question, but I think what I'm going to say is more of a conclusion of everything that's here. If 23 years, and I've said this before, if 23 years back somebody told me this is going to happen, I would have believed it. Because and like Mr. Ramesh mentioned, right? You see the tree, you see the sapling coming out and everything. The roots are something that you don't see. This tree that you're seeing here, the fruits that you're seeing here, I know what those roots were. That element of creativity, imagination, spontaneity, observation. She has a very sharp observation. She will observe people, relationships, everything very differently. So, of course, I've seen that. We've grown up together, seeing those things and enjoying those moments. But for me, this book and her story is more about how do you get your passion out there, mix it with purpose, use your strengths to get something, tangible, fruitful, happen out there, in the world. So, yeah, I think that's what this whole, for me, that's what the story is. मैं बोलूँगी नहीं क्या.
That's why we water the roots.
Yes.
No comments.
Anyone else?
Yeah, hi everybody, I'm Sandeep Shah and I'm one of the regular book club members over here also. Ridhima, this particular subject, how did it come to your mind? The criteria behind it? Any particular...
Namaste, सबसे पहले thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. There was no specific criteria, I would say. But I think जब मुझे ये पता चला कि मुझे कहानियाँ लिखनी है या story लिखनी है, that would definitely be this, fiction, and which will have these elements around it.
So this was in your mind?
This was in my mind because मैं बहुत बार अपने बच्चों को अभी भी छोटे से लेके अब तक मैं मुझसे मामा प्लीज कुछ स्टोरी बताओ, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बताओ, तो आई वुड नरेट इट एंड इट वाज स्पॉन्टेनियस. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने वो किताबें वो स्टोरीज लिखी थी, तो वो बात करते करते वो एक लिंक होता, फिर दूसरा, फिर तीसरा, एंड दैट इज हाउ. और मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि इनको बहुत बहुत अमेजिंग और इंटरेस्टिंग फील हो रहा है. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है शायद मेरे बच्चे इसलिए बड़ा वाह कर रहे हैं, बट आई थॉट समवेयर डाउन द लाइन कि इट इज अ गुड स्टोरी टेलिंग वे, एंड देन आई थॉट दैट इफ आई वांट टू राइट समथिंग इट हैज टू बी दिस.
So that's very nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Renu. I met Ridhima just a year ago through our kids who are good friends now. So, for me Ridhima is very kind, very helpful and fun-loving also. And now I can say that she is an amazing writer. And because of this resolution, my son Gauransh has started reading more, and I have shared some pictures with you, Ridhima. So thank you so much for developing the reading lecture with him. My question to you is, can we expect any series or sequels about your Disham? Because I also love fantasy story. I also love to read fantasy story with Indian touch. So can we expect a sequels or series?
Yes, the readers can. We will, and it's going to be interesting.
I have one more question. Will the sequel be called Chaturdashi?
That's a good question. I might take it to consideration, which is the next one. But yes, it's going to be there, definitely.
Why did you write the book?
So that you can start reading.
That's an easy question. लेकिन मेरे को पढ़ना ही नहीं था. I had
बात की नहीं कर रही.
I had read the one and I started reading the first chapter.
I'm Shabana.
Namaste.
And a regular visitor at this crossword. First of all, congratulations, Ridhima. My question is actually, I'm a 13 born. So it always comes like that, you know, lucky for some, unlucky for others, and Friday the 13th, ये सब होते रहता है. So like, why specifically this 13 number? Did you have something in mind?
See, I'll tell you first, I think you are related to number 13 and it's a very lucky day for me. 13 से 13 connection में कोई आया, such a good number today. Such a good thing. And I think there was, जैसे आपने बताया Friday the 13th से, I think that was not in my mind. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि 13 has been a very different intriguing number. And ये मेरे husband का favorite number है. So 13 number is very favorite. So I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, इतना favorite है, शायद मैंने इतना subconsciously सोच लिया 13. So मैंने बोला चलो element ऐसा बनाते हैं कि उसका एक पूरा जो thought process है वो 13 से connected हो.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Yes, now she was. Day is 13.
Hi Rima, my name is Adira. And congratulations on coming up with such a compelling book. And it's fantabulous, if that's the right word to use. So one of the main things that I noticed, what I felt by reading the book was, the story unfolded very organically. It didn't feel very much imposed. And you mentioned, when Preeti asked you the question, which is the most difficult part, you mentioned that, just putting together the setting of the dark world. And trust me, that was one of the most beautiful setting as compared to the other Nabasa world, how you described that. So one of the main feature when I was reading the entire book, one of the other features was that setting didn't overshadow the main characters who you have mentioned, be it Ekam, be it Alaka, or Vismay, or Manumendra, whoever it is. So generally what other fantasy books when I read it, sometimes while explaining the setting to the readers, like just to put that entire picture into their mind, the character personification gets lost somewhere. So that didn't happen here, and that's for a very medieval reader like me, it's a very big thing. So thank you for that.
Thank you.
So that comes up, that brings me to my question. So Indian audience are finally realizing or are taking much interest in viewing shows. that mythological shows or fantasy shows, especially when the mystery is involved. Is there any chance, or can we see you pitching this story to any OTT platforms?
मतलब आज तो अष्टमी है मतलब खुले दिल से मांग लो भाई मुझे बिल्कुल मतलब ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं लगा प्रपोजल लगा रही हूँ पिचिंग टू OTT
No, are you planning to pitching it to OTT players? Anyone?
So as I said that Durga Ashtami मांग लो भाई खुले दिल से and universe is listening to you and to us. I think first priority was to publish write and publish the book. It was definitely in my mind that if thing goes well, then we can go ahead because आजकल visual माध्यम भी बड़ा important हो गया है लोगों के लिए क्योंकि जैसे अभी तो if we see a lot of places जो books आती हैं they are also now adapted and they are made into fiction stories और जो भी platforms पे आया जाता है. So probably yes, I might consider it and do my groundwork on it.
I'll keep my fingers crossed.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Vibhuti. It's my good fortune to call Ridhima my dear friend. Everyone said wonderful things about her. She is very multi-talented. So this debut book, it's going to be a success. I wish you all the very best. And knowing how well articulated she is, and she's a natural storyteller, everyone who knows her well knows that. So while I was in few pages or few chapters of the book, I was thinking, what is the message you want the audience to have while you were writing this book, or while we finish reading this book? See, I think one very important message जो मैं देना चाहूँगी, जो मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले क्वेश्चन में भी बताया कि जो ग्रैंडफादर और एकम के बड़े डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट्स हैं, जो उस कॉन्वर्सेशन में ना बड़े छिपे मैसेजेस हैं, जो रेफरेंशियल मैसेजेस हैं. So in fact recently मैंने एक कोट पढ़ा था श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में, it's from chapter 2 verse 3. So it states that क्लेव्यं पाक् पाक् नैतित्वयु पपद्यते शुद्रं हृदयदौर्बल्यं त्वयं तुजिष्ट परन्तप, which simply in one line means rise above your weaknesses, rise above your fears, rise above your self-doubts. And such a powerful quote, which Sri Krishna ji had, mentioned at this point of time when his friend Arjun was surrounded by these problems and doubts. And उस time पे ये words ना अर्जुन को ऐसे thunderbolt की तरह लगे, and he actually realized his dormant courage. Yeah. So similarly, what he tries, Lord Krishna tries to remind us, and what I try to convey in the book, in different forms, is like we all have that fire. वो essence हम में है. We all have that inner strength in us, which truly defines us, who we are. But जब we are surrounded by these problems and self-doubts, fears, and दुनिया भर की चीजें, we as humans, tend to forget that essence. And similarly, in the book, when you will read through it and others will read through it. So when Ekam is surrounded by these problems and he feels dejected, that's when his grandfather, comes into picture and takes the reins in his hand. That remember who you are. Even in the darkest times, don't forget. Remember who you are, because these are all temporary fears. These are going to pass. Oh, it's a passing cloud, it'll go away. But the moment you realize, you hold on to that fire, and very importantly that you believe in yourself, you realize and hold on to it. There's nothing in the world that can stop you. So don't step back when you have these issues. Rise above it. So that is what I try to convey through these messages. कि डरो मत यार, मतलब ठीक है, problem है, but आगे बढ़ो. I try to do so. Beautifully.
I think she said it wonderfully. You must have heard that line, keep walking, Johnny Walker. Yeah, which is actually a copied line, I'm sure. Because the original is Charai Veti, Charai Veti. It comes from the Upanishads. Keep walking, keep walking.
So I'll just read a little portion from the book, which is actually in reference to what you see as the title, Trayodasham, and the subtitle as Vault of Darkness. So this is conversation happening and they kind of get to know that what is this vault about. So the Vault of Darkness consists of upward and inverted trikonas where the inverted trikona overlaps the upward. This simply suggests that evil dominates good. At the four corners of the stone panel, there is an inverted five-pointed star with 2 points facing upwards and 1 point facing downwards. This represents the presence of evil, a dark symbol, ancient and forbidden, a symbol of torment and death. The 5 points of each star represent the elemental forces: spirit, water, fire, earth and air. But here in this, cursed design, they are claimed by evil, stating the dominance of the dark world over all the realms.
Amit, last question.
Yeah, hi. This is Sandeep Kochar, and Ridhima and Saurabh are my favorite couple. I know them since last few years, and I'm so happy, so glad, and many congratulations. Living under the sun, like you said, solar system and the solar and the famous husband, and creating your own niche. I think that is something which is really inspiring for all. And I'm a poet, तो मैंने इस पे लिखा था कि तलाश रहा था मैं रोशनी, जाने कहाँ जिंदगी का बसेरा था. तलाश रहा था मैं रोशनी, जाने कहाँ जिंदगी का बसेरा था. देखा जब मैंने गौर से, तो मैं ही चिराग और उसके तले अंधेरा था. So I think you found that light under the sun, and that is something which is so amazing. And I'm very happy to see Amish, because I think you have called exactly the right person who is sitting beside you. His energy will definitely rub on you. He himself is a legendary figure, and I think we are all blessed and happy to see you, Amish, as well. And I wish you all the very best. The only thing is, अब घर में खाना कौन बनाएगा ये मुझे पता नहीं, because now you and other thing which she has already asked, you must visualize it to so that we see it on a bigger screen. And I think you have it in you, and I wish you all the very best, and God bless you.
I think one thing I'd like to say is संदीप जी से जब मैं स्टार्ट में मिली थी, तो I was saying okay चलिए बाय बाय संदीप जी. तो संदीप जी आपका हाथ बड़ा अच्छा है. मैं कहा तो फिर बस बढ़िया है, आज तो और भी मांग लो, जो मांगना लाइफ में लिख लो अच्छी अच्छी किताबें.
You always come for Saurabh thing, and I saw your palm and I said अपने बारे में पूछा नहीं, but I praise you, and today here I am, and I'm so glad and so happy. So God bless you. तो कौन जाने ये रास्ता हमें किधर ले जाए, चलो हम ही कदमों के निशान छोड़ जाए. God bless.
दीपिका पादुकोण जो कार से उतर कैसे कर दिया. संदीप जी तभी आपके नाम का हाथ बहुत अच्छा है. ओके, मैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन आलिस जी, आपसे हम जानना चाहते हैं किताब के बारे में.
What I like about the book is that it's not just a story. There are deeper philosophies within it, which is actually the Indian storytelling tradition. It's not just, it can never be just about a boy and a girl running around a tree. There has to be deeper philosophies, deeper thoughts, which I love that Ridhima has put that up. And if I can add one thing, the beauty of the family that I've seen. I have known them, a bit, on the phone, and a few times that we've spoken, once we've met. But this is the first time I'm seeing the entire family together. And this is a beautiful sight to see. These days, sadly, the beauty of a strong family is not realized so much. And seeing your two lovely children who are there to support you, twin children, a very supportive, strong husband, and the bond that I see, and the adorable. I thought you were giving yourself a compliment. but it's wonderful to see. शिवजी की कृपा आपके परिवार पर सदा बनी रहे.
एक सवाल मेरा है.
ओके.
मुझे जस्ट पूछना था कि हिंदी में भी आएगी बुक वाली, हिंदी में.
बिल्कुल प्लान ये है. हाँ प्लान है, बिकॉज आजकल ना जैसे मैंने बताया कि विजुअल माध्यम जैसा बहुत बढ़ गया है, तो इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे ना लोग अभी ऑडियो स्टोरीज भी सुनते हैं. इनफैक्ट मेरे बच्चे दे हैव एन ऑडियो प्लेयर in which you can insert different stories. There are cards and they travel. मतलब या तो किताबें होती हैं उनके पास या वो ऑडियो प्लेयर होता है. So yes, there is a plan to also get this book in Hindi also, and उसकी ऑडियोज भी निकले. तो जैसे मैंने बोला, हाँ मैंने बोला अष्टमी मांग लो भाई, हिंदी से मांग लो. ऑडियो प्लेयर मासी दीदी है.
brings us to an end for this beautiful evening. I will request everyone just to come for one selfie, and post that author will be available for book signing and selfie moment. Amish, please. And we would like to thank Crossword for giving us this beautiful platform for our launches. A special thank you to Amish ji for coming out and blessing this, event. बहुत ही
बुक के साथ करते ना, बुक के साथ, बुक हैंड में लीजिए ना, या ऑल ऑफ यू कम इनको आगे नीचे बुला लो, टेबल वोल सब आएगा। हाँ मैम नीचे आ जाओ, आगे आ जाइए थोड़ा आगे। सर कम क्लोज सर क्लोजर बीच में गैप मत करो। सेंटर या लुक कैमरा प्लीज। थैंक यू।
एक फैमिली
वन
विथ फैमिली
सर
सौरभ सर
वन विथ फैमिली वन बुक ये लेते ना बुक के साथ वो खड़े हैं चाबी दो। मैम बैग रख दो ना, फोटो में आएगा वो। या लुक कैमरा प्लीज। वेट मैम वेट। ओके थैंक यू
सौरभ सर
या लुक कैमरा प्लीज। सर लुक कैमरा इधर भी दे दीजिए। या रेडी ओके थैंक यू। या रेडी सर आप भी आओ ना एक फोटो में, साथ में आओ। या रेडी लुक कैमरा प्लीज। ओके थैंक यू।
वाला डायरेक्टर है बड़ा है। कौन डायरेक्टर है? ये मार ले रमन मारून सर काट जा किम्बल भाई। मैम सर ऑल ऑफ यू लोग क्या सर? थैंक यू।